Hey everybody, here is a question for you. Are you tired of maintaining Excel sheet for your candidates? Are you tired of saving your candidates in folders and searching when a requirement comes in to see which candidate is matching in your database? Now, with this one particular thing, all your problems will go away. And how is it? I'm going to share it now. So here I'm going to share the free ATS, PyjamaHR, and how it is going to helpful for you, that it will help you to manage your candidates more optimized and more effective manner that can help you to grow in your productivity. Okay. So what is that it can do? It can help you to parse resumes to the website and without any cost. You don't have to pay anything in here. Then what? It can extract any information from the resume and update in the profile in the website. For example, work experience, their email ID, location, education, skills, everything it extracts. And what else? You could able to bulk upload resumes. It could be PDF or it could be Word document directly to it. And what it will do, it can able to filter and sort everything through the application, meaning you could able to search candidates according to the matching skills. It is like your portal. And at the same time, it can automatically rank your candidate so that it will help you to understand which particular candidate is fit for your requirement. All right. So let me show you how exactly it works so that you would understand what exactly I mean. So here, if you have logged in with the link I have given in the description and in the comment box in the video, you could able to get into the website now. This is PyjamaHR, and once you get in login, you'll get into this particular page. And from here, you could able to go to talent pool. From the talent pool, go to the default folder. Okay, I have created few for you so that you will understand. So from the default folder, what you should be doing is you could go to this particular page. Okay, let me drag this here for you people a little bit. Yes, add candidate. From this candidate field, you can add manually if you have, or you can import from the data that you have in Excel sheet, and at the same time import resumes, PDF or doc. So for your information, let me do something. Okay, so here I'll go to documents and I'll see, I'll pull one resume here, Lakshmi's resume. Okay, now from here, what you can do is you could add your source as well. How where did you get it? So here I'll mention other. Okay, I would say this is from dice.com. I just mention it and I'll upload it. It is going to take a little bit of time for uploading. So by the time we can close this one, and the moment the upload is done, it will look like something like this. Okay, you could add domestic, you can add any resumes for in any country per se. Okay, now here you could able to search resumes with the keywords. For example, if I'm looking for a resume with ATS as a keyword, and if any of the resume is matching, see, this resume has been matching with the keyword. So this is how it will help you to source your candidates. See, there is a SQL Lakshmi that we got it, right? And if we open the profile, you'll see the name, email ID, everything has been updated. Anything is not there, you can add it in here. So if you see country, oh, we gotta edit it. Okay, you need to edit the information in order to do that. All right, people. And from here, what you can do is you can check this one. Okay, and directly you can add to the job, whatever the job that you have posted through this. All right, now this is going to helpful for you to monitor your candidates. Let's say we have submitted to the project manager role, so it has added to the project manager, right? And we'll go to the jobs, whatever the open jobs that we have, and we'll go to project manager, and there's a total candidates are there. And from the candidates, we see this is the candidate we have submitted. And with this candidate, we could able to do everything. Okay, this is the candidate, scheduled interview, what we can do, everything, reject, make an offer. So we can just monitor the process over here. All right, people. Now, if you are using something different and you are paying for that, so for this, you don't have to pay anything else. And PyjamaHR is a free ATS, and that will help you to manage and monitor your candidates, the submission process. At the same time, it will help you to store your profile, and you can use this as a job board as well. So you can find the link below in the descriptions. Sign up for the free access and use it, and let me know how you find it, if it is helpful for you. All right. Take care. This is Suman Pachigulla on a mission to impact 5 million lives through recruiters. Bye-bye.